Nationwide fiber optic network connecting businesses with the fastest and most secure dedicated internet access. The appeal of cloud solutions needing a secure, fast and unlimited bandwidth, in most cases fiber is the only option. While many businesses still use legacy technologies, the need for growing and securing future-proof solutions providing data transport. We now have quick sourcing for availability and pricing for more accurate quotes. We work directly with the best of the best fiber optic network providers like AT&T, Verizon, Lumen, Frontier, Zayo and more, to provide you with best-of-class services combined with the best value for your budget. There are promotions and specials for dedicated internet access pricing on a monthly and quarterly basis that would save you money. Sometimes more bandwidth can be more cost-effective, combining cloud solutions as a service than staying with legacy solutions. To set up a quote, please click on my calendar button for an initial consultation to set expectations.